Ever found yourself locked out of your own iPhone? Use 4U-Key iPhone Passcode Unlocker to reset your password easily. So, without further ado, let's dive into the process. The first step is to put your iPhone into recovery mode. For iPhone X or later, press and release volume up, then volume down, and hold the side button. Once your iPhone is in recovery mode, in 4U-Key, click Start and connect your iPhone. Follow the instructions to put your iPhone into recovery mode. Next, 4U-Key will automatically match the latest iOS for you. Choose a location and click Download. This process should be relatively quick. After the reset, your iPhone restarts, presenting the Hello screen. Now, commence restoring your data, and there you have it. With 4U-Key, password resetting is easy. With patience, you'll be back in your iPhone before you know it. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time for another exciting tutorial. Until then, happy exploring!